Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example here, and let's tap on this settings icon. At the very first position we've got languages, so tap on it, and here we've got the list of previously applied languages. We've got only English here. In order to add new language, simply click on Add Keyboard, and here we've got the full list of available languages which are defaultly in your device. So let's pick something, for example Arabic. Let's pick the region and click on Done. As you can see, the Arabic language immediately appears on the list. Let's get back to the keyboard. And as you can see here, we've got the new icon, the world icon, and thanks to this, by tapping on this, you can switch through the languages. And as you can see, now I'm typing Arabic. After clicking on that icon again, we got back to the English keyboard. In order to remove a language, simply get back to the settings, click on languages, and tap on this edit icon. If you want to remove it, just tap on it and click on delete icon. As you can see here, we are left with only English, so let's get back. And as you can see, the word icon has disappeared and we cannot switch through languages, we can only type English. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.